Basically, we have two different platforms that we leverage. One is a pure SaaS platform, Brigthcove, which we've been using for years for a lot of our magazine and newspaper properties. That's a pretty traditional online video platform. They do everything, the player integration, the CDN integration, and it's sort of, you step up and get everything from them, and you really don't have to do much on your end other than create the content. On our TV side, we recently implemented a SaaS content management system called Core Media, and the choice was made to go with more of a platform as a service from Kaltura to integrate with a variety of other applications that were either SaaS or in-house to produce the video workflow. Workflow is human process and systemic process, so the more you can standardize, the better it is. So if you use a software as a service or a platform as a service as part of an integrated whole, it's more straightforward because you can duplicate it across your various entities and whatever team members are working on the end product. I'm a big believer in standardizing metadata and leveraging metadata across each aspect of the workflow. That ties into the semantic web work that I've been focused on for years, the contextualization of content. Video is probably the prime recipient of that because in its native form, it's just a blob of content that you have a hard time extracting the core information from it in a straightforward way. And so the metadata that you attach as you produce it, as you ingest it, as you put it into your various delivery mechanisms, and then as you distribute it, is critical. It helps you with internal comprehension of what you have in discovery, and especially external discovery, whether it's search, social, or content syndication partnerships. Since we last spoke last year, I mean, HTML5 has come a long way. I think it's now considered relatively semantic web ready. Semantics are a big part of HTML5. They always have been. It now can accommodate RDFA, which is the primary standard for browser-based semantic content or semantic labeling. And now with schema.org, which is a search engine initiated change to how they're leveraging their semantics within their algorithms, that now accommodates RNews, which is a semantic initiative that the news industry created, or IPTC created. And so by sort of the 6 degrees of separation across all of those, you're at the point where you're doing pretty good from a semantic web perspective in discovery, search, social. Facebook has been semantic web compliant or RDFA compliant for a while now via their focus, and it's a good thing for content in general. It's a very good thing for video because in the past, video probably suffered from lack of visibility or ability for audiences to reach the video they wanted without a lot of marketing spend or traditional SEO focus. And now with metadata, you can sort of do it in a semi-automated fashion more easily.